Right, George, just a quick video on how to edit your website. Right, so you log in, you're going to see a screen like this. As I said to you before, all you're really going to use is pages and posts. Your pages, if you click on it, will show you all of the pages we've added to your website. So, home page, for example. Now, this is got a bit of HTML in your home page. That's only the home page is one page that you could break. If you mess anything, even delete a line from that, it's going to knock the alignment out of your website. So, you don't touch any of these wee bits of code. Other than that, you know, if you want to add text to it, it's as simple as adding text like that, clicking update, and you'll see that text is there. Obviously, you can make it. I'll delete that just now, but obviously, you can make a new paragraph. You can, you know, do whatever. I'm just going to update that so that the junk is not there. So that's the sort of text part of your home page. That video, again, you know, we can change for you. I wouldn't expect you to be able to change that. And your sliding banners are down here, so you can see what these are here. I mean, anything that you add to your website, any image would go under your media files. And what would happen is if I go to your home page, for example, and I wanted to add a picture of yourself, the latest pictures we added are all sitting in page 3 here. So if I wanted to add that to your sliding banner, I would do that, click update, and again, you'll see it in a minute. Obviously the picture we've added will not show your face properly because it's not a rectangle, it's a square picture trying to fit into a rectangle, but the just obviously how you do it is there. So I'm going to go back down there and delete that because it's not a suitable picture for your sliding banner. We've added a couple of sliding banners there. You can mess about with the pictures, try them or whatever. You can have as many sliding banners as you want. And I'm just going to add a couple here that I think would fit. That'll fit. That'll fit. So you could potentially have 7 sliding banners. Pictures are not great quality, not that size. They're obviously a wee bit distorted as well. But again, you can add whatever you like here, or you can have pictures made up for you. We can obviously design you banners, whatever, which won't cost you an arm and a leg to get done. You know, if you've got a Christmas thing you're on or whatever, then we can sort that out. So that's your home page. All your other pages are very simple. You won't really be able to break them that much. You'll see column. There's a few bits of code that you need to be careful of, because we'll put columns in so that, you know, it aligns properly and not, you know, whatever. But so again, if you wanted to edit anything on that page, you just go there, edit it. Just don't touch anything that says column. And you know, anything like this stuff you can add to, no problem at all, or delete parts of it or whatever. So, and you just click update and that's it, done. Every other page you've got sample playlists. We don't have anything there yet. You would add to that. Up and coming gigs, again you would add to that. Your links, again it's just straightforward, adding whatever links you wanted in there. Straightforward. Obviously here, you know, you can insert your links. So if I wanted to link that to a website, you would just click that and enter the URL and that's it. But obviously you would do that with the domain name, which is obviously Sugar and Spice Tune, and again you click update. So that's where you would add all your pages can all be tweaked from here. FAQs again is all there. You can add to that, build up on it, whatever. And that is how your website would work. Adding videos and see changing the images here that's probably something we would do, because if you make one mistake, it's going to all go belly up. Now, if you do make a mistake, you don't always have to contact us. If I go to home and I go to up here to screen options, I can go to something called revisions. So I tick that. So if I break the website, I can put the website to the way I had it 3 weeks ago or whatever. I'm on here editing as you, George. Now if I want to put that back to the way I had it, out with editing it today, I would just click that and click restore this version. But there's nothing wrong with it, so it doesn't need restored, but you can restore your page to an earlier version in some instances. So if you do, make a mistake, you can edit that. We have added your new images to your images page. Now that is a gallery. So we basically, if you wanted to move these pictures about, if you wanted to, for example, make you be the first image on there, you just drag and drop and click update. And then if I go back to your image gallery, then you're there. But obviously I'll move it back and I'll leave you to make that decision. So I'm just going to go back to gallery. You can have multiple galleries, specific galleries for gigs or whatever. And again, that will help you, build up the website and all that kind of stuff. Now you have everything, all of the pages you should have there. These all have to kind of be clickable. If you were doing SEO, just the same as these are. But that's something we'll worry about at a later date. But that's how you basically tweak your website. Alright, cheers.